This is how you make profit with AI automated bots. So we are trading with the AI automated bots, and today we are going direct. As you can see, my Binance has 91 capital. So we can double and triple that, and make sure you join the free classes link. So we'll just come direct to our trading bots. Remember, mine is funded, so my trading bots they are unlocked. And as I said, you should watch the previous video to understand what you are doing. And if you've been following me, we said today's capital is 200, and this is the bot we'll be using. That is Momentum Pro bot, and we'll be right now 296k traders are using it. So today we don't waste a lot of time. We just start trading. We don't set anything. The bots are automated, and that's the goodness of trading with AI automated bots. So RunQuilly gives you the bots for free, and as you can see, the first one we've made a profit of 9 USDTs. You can check here, and we'll go direct and copy trade very fast. We'll go direct and copy trade. I'll open my copy trading and I'll share with you guys. Remember, I do it for free. You don't have to pay anything. And here I'll just click on share, then get the link. Then I'll share on Telegram and on WhatsApp. But first I'll share on WhatsApp. We get some 5-10. Then we share on Telegram. We get more people. So stay tuned and make sure you get this code. And for you to get this code, you should be following me on WhatsApp or on Telegram, and make sure that your RunQuilly is funded, and you do that as soon as possible. Best capital to start with is 200 USDT. So let me share very. So guys, you can see I've shared the link on WhatsApp and also on Telegram, and you can see the live views. The people are viewing it right now. So far 64, 70, and the likes are 4 and 4. That's 8. So let's check the group. We said we have a trading channel and a group. The group has 82 members. I told you guys to join, and so far 189 are online. We don't cook anything. So let's go to our trading bot and we approve some. I had started approving, so I said it is 200. You can see that one is trading with 2200. This is another request coming in. There is a certain number. When it reaches, it pops out to remind me. So reject. South Africa 1829, approve. Ghana 144, reject. I told you I'm mentoring a lot of people all over the globe, all over the world. So if I don't attend to you, you just don't get angry, because I'm attending to very many people. So for those who are less than 100 today, I'm sorry. Actually less than 200 today, I'm sorry. I'll be approving for those who are more than 200, so that we persevere to it. We make more efforts, get more capital, and continue trading. Sometimes I offer up to 30. Tanzania, you can see 11,000 here, 13,000 here, 70, 12,000. You can see the country and check your country also. 131. America, this is US. Kenya 11,000. Good, I'll approve that. This one 64. I don't know which country is that. This one is Ghana. So I think I have got more people in Ghana. And this one 64k in USDTs. 113. So I'm mentoring a lot of people, guys. You don't just get angry when I don't attend to you. I'm sorry, I just clicked this by bad luck, but it wasn't to be approved, so we approved this one. So continue sending your requests and I'll be approving them as soon as I get them. Today I'm online. We make it, and we make it big. We make it all. If you have any issues, kill the doubts, do the right thing, and trading will be profitable. Actually, trading can change your life. Just make sure it is your first priority and not your second priority. Do the right thing. People are making profits. You can see these are live trades. I'm not cooking anything here. These are live requests, and I'll be making another video. Also, let's check how our trading is doing. Actually, you can check it here. So far too, we started with 8. Let's go and check the full logs. You don't lose up. We might be hitting losses, we might be hitting profits, but you don't lose up. Wait the bot to run to the end, to the fullest. You can see there are the P&L is 1.68. Even that $1 is enough for you in a day. Just don't quit trading.